Hi, it's so good to see you. Today we are doing an advanced Pilates routine meant to get your heart rate up and burn some calories. So let's start on all fours. Hands underneath your shoulders and knees underneath your hips. Draw your shoulder blades back and just round your spine. And then inhale to find an arch. So feel free to modify anything during this workout as you need. I'm not going to be giving a lot of modifications, and this is meant to be kind of advanced and flow fairly quickly, but listen to your body and modify as you need, as always. Okay, come halfway in between those two, step your right foot back, curl the toes under, and then when you're ready, left foot is going to step back, and then we're going to take your hips up and back into your down dog, or what we sometimes call elephant in Pilates, and you can walk it out, pedal your feet here. Okay, so just kind of getting the body moving, really feel like you're raising up onto your toes, and then switching and pressing the opposite heel down. And then go ahead and drop both heels down, and when you're ready, we're gonna walk our hands back towards our feet. Try to take 3 steps, so that's 1, 2, 3, and hang. Bend the knees if you need to. Get that nice deep stretch. And then when you're ready, we're gonna walk back out to a plank. 1, 2, 3, okay? Hips up and back. Now, I want you to walk back towards your feet again, leading with the opposite hand. So for me, it's gonna be my left now. I'm gonna walk 1, 2, 3. Inhale, exhale, walk back out. 1, 2, 3. Nice job. Hips up and back. So we have 2 more of those to do. So lead back. Again, we're going to alternate hands. 1, 2, 3. You got it. Come back out. Really trying to control the motion. It doesn't have to be fast. So last set. So we're going to flow, meaning we're going to keep moving to get our heart rates up, but it doesn't mean we have to do everything really fast, right? We still want to have control. Here we go. Okay, so keep your plank and just rock forward on your toes and back, forward, back. Nice job keeping that nice long plank. Make sure you have that little bend in your elbows. I don't want you to lock out your elbows. In this too, okay, if you want a modification, do it on your knees. You can just rock forward and backward right here on your knees. Okay, last 2. And last 1. Nice job. Take the hips up and back. All right, if you need to rest your wrists, go ahead and take a break here. Otherwise, I want you to take your right foot up and reach the toes up towards the sky. Then, when you're ready, come forward into a plank. Pull your knee into your chest as much as you can. Send it out and back. Okay, forward, and then inhale to lift. Nice job, give me 2 more. Last one. Stay here and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both hips up and back. All right, left side, inhale, reach, 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 reach. And then exhale, here we go for 5. Staying really strong in those arms. And feel really long in your legs. So draw it in when you come in and then reach and lift. Last 2. And reach. Last 1. Forward, hold it. 5, 4, you got it. 3, 2, 1. Good, take it up and back. Rest the foot down, and let's bring our knees down and just shift back, child's pose. Nice job, restack your spine. Okay, we're gonna come up onto our knees here. So if you need some padding, you can just double up your mat or bring a towel underneath your knees. So I want you to be up nice and tall here. Draw the belly button in. The tailbone is going to slide down. Arms are in front. And we're going to lean back and then lift back up. Okay, inhale and exhale. This is called thigh stretch in our Pilates world. And what I want you to think about is trying to keep that straight line from your knees up to your head. So you're not back bending and you're not just sitting your hips back. Everything goes back in one line. Okay, last one. Come back, stay here. Right hand comes back, see if you can touch your heel. Bring it up, left hand, heel, and up. Nice job. If you can, go back a little farther. Last two, last one. Nice job. Sit back. Okay, we're gonna come up to all fours again. That was your wrist break. So we're gonna come back and find a plank. Right foot, left foot, and we're gonna find leg pull. So what you're gonna do is point the toes on the right, lift, lower, 4, 3, 2, 1, other side, 6. Good job. Feel strong. Try to keep the hips level. Last 2, 1. Nice job. Left hand is going to come to the middle, so underneath your face. I want you to roll into a side plank. All right, so your options are have the right foot in front or have the ankles and the feet stacked. And you can also be on your elbow or your knees here, okay? So what we're gonna do is reach the right hand under, like you're threading the needle, as your hips lift up and back, okay? And then you come back into your side plank. So I'm using my obliques and my arm to lift and come back. Last 2. Nice job. And this is where you start to realize, oh yeah, I'm gonna burn some calories here for sure. Nice job. Let's come back to plank. We have the other side. So now you can see me from the back here. Right hand under, rotate. So find your side plank first. Then left hand comes underneath, peekaboo, I see you. And then unwind. So again, you can definitely do this on your elbow and you can do it on your knees as well. Okay? And you can always just take a break whenever you need to. Last one. Nice job. Come back and let's come into our plank. Nice job. Now what I want you to do is bring your right foot forward. So it's to the outside of your right foot, outside of your right hand. So right foot has come to the outside of the right hand. Then shoot it back. Left foot. Okay? And then shoot it back. There we go. 4, 3, 2. Last one. Left foot. Then also bring the right foot. And you're in this little squat, okay? Now from here, my feet are fairly wide, turned out. My hands are planted. And I'm just going to lift my hips, bring them back down. Okay, so if you have tight hips, this is definitely a challenging position. So you can just do mini squats. Okay, so you don't have to come all the way down, just do little squats. Like stand up all the way and come down halfway and stand back up. Last 2. Last one. Stay here. Left hand comes to the middle, right hand comes up. And then right hand down, left hand up. Bring it back down. Hips come down. And we're gonna sit all the way down. Nice job. Let's bring the legs out and have them mat distance apart. Pull your toes back towards you. Bring your hands behind your head. Sit up tall and rotate to your right, center, left, center. So reach, 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 and think of your right elbow going back, center, and then left elbow, think of that reaching back, and center. You got it, last two. Nice job. Arms come in front, legs together. Inhale, tall again. Exhale, curl, and roll down. One vertebrae at a time. Inhale, arms back. Exhale, arms up, tuck your chin, and roll. I like to go over and then restack to really work that articulation of the spine. And then we curl and send ourselves back again. Okay, on this next one, roll down halfway. Stay here. Drop the shoulders down. Hold the belly in. You want this nice scoop here. Exhale, right leg lifts. Inhale, lower. Exhale, left. Inhale, lower. Now you can maybe lift this leg like an inch, okay? This like that, that's gonna be plenty of work, I promise. Okay, stay here, roll down one more inch. Do it again. Yes. Good. Keep reaching the hands out while dropping the shoulders down. One more each side. Good. Inhale, exhale, curl, and roll down. Hands come back. All right, we're going to bring your arms down to your sides. Feet are flat. Take your inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone. Roll yourself up one vertebrae at a time. Inhale at the top. And exhale, curl and roll back down. So this is our little breather here. Catch your breath. See how your back feels. Make sure you're still filling your lungs, that your neck is relaxed. Okay, let's roll up. Stay here. Bring that right leg to tabletop. Straighten it up. Now I want you to lower a couple inches. Lift, lower, lift. Good, press through that left heel. 3, 2, 1. Right leg down. Again, level out your hips, reorganize yourself. Left leg lifts, and then lower, lift, lower, lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Foot comes down. Inhale, both hips up. Exhale, curl to roll down. All right, bring your legs together and bring your heels a little closer towards you because I want you to lift up, onto your toes. So take your inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone. Roll yourself up. Okay, so you're squeezing your knees together and you're lifted up on your toes. Inhale. Exhale, roll down. I know it's hard to tell, but my legs are all the way squeezed together. Good, so feel those inner thighs starting to work just by having to keep the knees together. Nice, roll up, stay here. Keep the hips where they are and lower your heels and lift. So the hard part is you're trying to keep the hips lifted. They're gonna wanna sink with you. Knees squeeze together, ankles squeeze together, hips up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your heels, roll back down. Okay, are you ready for some fun? Separate your legs to hip distance apart. Heels are still lifted. Inhale. Exhale, roll. Stay here. Right leg lifts up. Okay, so everything is lifted and long and pointed.
Now lower your hips, lift. And lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring that right leg down, almost there. Lift the left. Long, reach, and now we'll lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Place that foot down. Inhale, everything high and tall, and exhale to curl and roll yourself down and hug your knees into your chest. Nice job.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You could also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.